Do banks offer Spendthrift Trust services? If you have ever wondered whether banks provide Spendthrift Trust services, you are in the right place. Let's break down what this means and how it works. Many banks and credit unions, indeed, offer Spendthrift Trust services as part of their trust and fiduciary services. A Spendthrift Trust is designed to protect assets from being accessed too early or irresponsibly by the beneficiary. It also shields those assets from creditors. When banks act as trustees, they manage the trust assets according to the grantor's wishes. This means they control how and when funds are distributed to the beneficiary. The role of a bank as a trustee is essential for enforcing the rules of the Spendthrift Trust. They ensure that the beneficiary does not have direct access to the principal or income of the trust. One of the main advantages of a Spendthrift Trust is protection from creditors. Since the assets belong to the trust and not directly to the beneficiary, creditors typically cannot claim these assets to settle debts. This feature is particularly appealing for families who want to safeguard their wealth from financial risks. Banks also help implement controlled distributions. Instead of giving a large sum all at once, they releases funds gradually over time. This structured approach encourages responsible financial management, especially for beneficiaries who may not be ready to handle a large inheritance. Setting up a Spendthrift Trust involves working closely with the bank to define specific terms. This includes deciding when and how much money will be distributed, as well as any special conditions that may apply. For example, a grantor might want to include provisions for emergency access to funds. Banks have the necessary legal and administrative expertise to navigate the complexities of creating and managing Spendthrift Trusts. They ensure compliance with state laws, which can differ significantly. This legal knowledge is essential for setting up a trust that meets all requirements. It is important to note that there are fees associated with these services. Banks charge for their administrative and legal work, which includes managing the trust, keeping records, and handling tax reporting. While these fees may reduce the overall value of the trust, many clients find that the benefits of professional management and asset protection outweigh the costs. In practical terms, banks and credit unions that offer Spendthrift Trust services provide a secure way for clients to leave assets to beneficiaries who may need oversight or protection from creditors. These services are part of a broader range of trust solutions that banks provide to assist with estate planning and wealth management. So, if you are considering a Spendthrift Trust, many banking institutions can help you navigate this process effectively.